As per reports, 19 BJP MLAs are supposedly planning to submit their resignations to the Speaker. This step comes after discussions with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on October 15. After meeting with Assembly Speaker Satya Brata, 19 BJP MLAs requested Prime Minister Narendra Modi to remove CM Biren from his position. The dissenting BJP MLAs handed over a memorandum to the Prime Minister demanding the removal of Chief Minister Biren Singh. Following this discussion with Prime Minister Modi, several reports have emerged about the likelihood of CM Biren's resignation. According to India Today reports, the signatories include Assembly Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata Singh and Ministers Thongam Vishwajit and Yumnam Khemchand Singh. This move follows a key meeting in Delhi on Tuesday that brought together Meitei, Kuki and Naga MLAs. However, during an exclusive interview with Elite TV, Chief Minister Biren Singh has refuted such claims of his tendering resignation at this crucial hour and has termed such news and false and baseless. He has expressed that he is determined and committed to bringing back peace and normalcy in the strife-torn state of Manipur. Manipur